Hello, this is Relego from Relego AI Solutions. We are going to do a walkthrough on a hack-the-box machine called TwoMillion. TwoMillion is a machine, I think it is the old version of HackTheBox. We are going to try to exploit it. First, we are going to do an nmap scan. Nmap as C, yes, the C default script, the version, all ports that are open, and main rate is going to be 10,000 so that it doesn't take that long. And we're going to save it on a file called nmap scan. The port, not port, actually the IP address 10.10.11.221, and we wait. It is taking some time, but it's okay. Oh yeah, I made a mistake. I said 1,000 instead of 10,000. Time is money. You have to make it run faster. We can always check the state by pressing the space bar. 50%, it's okay. Also, it is always a good. Oh, already done. Yeah, two ports are open. That is SSH port and HTTP port. It is always a good practice to actually do it 2 times. The first time when you're just using the IP address, then the second time when you've actually added the domain to the host file, so that you'll always have more details from here. So 2million.hackthebox, we're going to add it to host files. So do nano host. Ten dot 221 2million.hackthebox. Save it, then exit, then run it again. And as you're done, we also do a fuzzing for directories. And the best tool for now, I think it is FFUF, because of its speed. FFUF URL is http 2million.hackthebox word list, user, share, word list, cyclist, discovery, content, wrapped, medium, directories, txt, silent. Nope, these are false positives. Let's see what we need to filter out. Size 162. FS0162 and silent. That's going to give us the genuine directories. On the other hand, the second nmap scan is finished. You can notice that we have extra information from this scan. We now know it is actually using PHP for backend. title HackTheBox penetration testing lab. For so next we're going to fuzz for subdomains. You have URL is HTTP 2million.hackthebox hosts fuzz .2million.hackthebox. What else? Word list. User share word list, set list, discovery DNS subdomain top 1 million 5,000. That's trying to say what you need to filter out. We're going to filter out size. F is 162 and silent. Language invite for home API register login logout environment. HTTP to 2million the box. And voila! This is the old version of HackTheBox. I think people used to be able to sign up, and they have to hack in through this button, and there's nothing to target from these pages. It's only this button. But you have to enroll. Join HackTheBox. I don't know if they removed it, but I think it sounds like a good idea. Invite code. We do not have invite code. Hi there. Feel free to hack your way in. If you're already a member, click here to log in. But because it is HackTheBox, I don't think simple tricks can actually work. It has to be something better. You can try SQL injection, but actually it's going to fail. Remember me. User not found. And then we can try process scripting, which don't work. Our target, we're going to start from here. We're going to inspect network. Then we're going to refresh. Let's see what you have here. The request that it's making. Invite here. Use it. Others not important. We're going to copy URL. Move here. This is a code block that it has been obfuscated, so we need to deobfuscate it, so that we can be able to read it and understand it better. For many of us, we tried using this trick but failed. Let me show you. JS-Bitfy. You might have tried this. You might have watched many tutorials actually showing you that you just do this and then everything goes well. But actually what you get is just still nothing. You can't understand it. you might start asking yourself, what did you go wrong? The follow-up, the walkthrough you're seeing is actually using the same trick that you're using, but for you, it's not. So you're like, what? But the advantage is that you're not always, you should always be able to use different tools. If one trick actually fails, you go for another and try them all until one of them actually works. Like this one from D4JS. It's perfect. When you use this, you'll start asking yourself, am I really an expert in JavaScript? Because you don't actually understand it. But at least when you're here, even if you're a beginner, you can actually at least understand it. You see, function, verify invite code, okay. Then another function, make invite code. So currently, the page we are in is using this function to verify if actually that invite code is correct or not. Make invite code. This is how to make invite code. The type post API v1 invite to generate. We're going to copy this. Then we are going to start our bug suit. That is a tool for every penetration tester that exists in this world. We swear by it. We can't do anything without it. We are sent to a repeater. Then we're going to change this. I need to change it to this. Also, we have to make sure that also the method is actually correct. Yeah, type post. So we're in a correct direction. Anything else? Nothing. So we're going to send it, and voila, and there we have it. You don't have to know everything. Yeah, we can just sometimes have to ask ChatGPT for assistance. We're going to search GPT. Right. Yeah, command. Create on terminal. Yeah, to decrypt this using root encryption, the terminal, you can use the TR command, which is available to most Unix like systems, including Linux and Mac. Is the command echo TR. Let's see if it's going to decrypt it. Oh yeah. So there are no subdomains. Sometimes if you can't find it using the 5000 text, you can also use this large one. Yeah, but for now it's not important. Yeah, we're going to copy this, try it out, and voila, we have it. In order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API v1 invite generate. So just have to again copy this. Again, always remember post. the method is very important. To generate the invite code, you have to use this API v1 invite generate, and voila, we have it. If you're in a rush, your mind will have told you that okay, we already have the invite code, right? But no. This is penetration testing. Whatever you get, you have to go an extra step. This is base 64 encoding, so you have to decrypt it. Decode as base 64, and there we have it. That is our invite code. Copy, then go back. Then we're disabled, it's okay. Yeah. Name is no. Email is no. Gmail.com. Password is no. Confirm password is no. And I have to sign in. It's no. Gmail.com. Password is no. And there we are in. Most of the things here, they're not leading us anywhere. So you just have to list roles, change log, ideas, feedback, looking for jobs. There's nothing here. Head of them, nothing here. Country rankings, nothing here. VP rankings, nothing here. Labs, access. Oh yeah, you have something here. You can look at machines, just active, new submission. Yeah, we are going to start from here. Yeah, generate. You're going to download this file. Then you're going to check if you can get something from it. Exif 2. Yeah, this is the metadata of that file that we have actually downloaded it. As you can see, there's nothing useful that you can actually utilize from here. We're going to drop this for now. Then we're going to send this request to Babsut. Connect. Send it to repeater. Yeah. Now we just have to see what you're going to get from this. Messing up with that API. Move permanently. This is an error. Then continue. One step. Yeah, nothing. User. And nothing. 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 Yeah. We have something here. v1. Also, we can go back to actually see if we have a v2 or not. Yeah, we only have v1. So v1, and here we have. We can see what admin can do. Can get check your users admin. Post admin VPN generate. Can generate a VPN. Put you can update user settings. So we are going to v1. I think it is admin of admin re-authenticated as admin. False message false. Okay. I think, as you can see here, I think it is a binary, no, boolean type, true or false. Let's go back. Let's try user settings to see what you can do with it. Admin settings, update user settings. Maybe you can add ourselves as the admin. Method not allowed. In this machine, the methods are very important. Is a great machine to actually understand how to deal with methods in web testing. So you're going to, because it is, I've already forgotten the method, but most of the time it is put, because you're updating. Put, let's see, yep, it is, the method is put. The status danger, invalid content type. Now you have to add field for content type. It's like, actually it's just guiding you on the next step that you have to do. Application, JSON. Missing parameter email, that is the body. The body is always, you should always have empty space here. Then the next is where you add the body. Email is snow@gmail.com. It's not gmail.com. Yeah, missing parameter is admin. Yeah, there's a boolean. So we're going to is admin. I'm going to say true. Is this correct? Message variable. Variable is admin needs to be either 0 or 1. So I'm going to change it to 1, which is true. And voila, yeah, we are now admin to the site. So if we go back, admin of actually, let's see, these are wrong. We should be get method. Yeah, we have it. Yeah, true. Generate VPN. We did generate VPN. Generate VPN. I don't know. Let's go back and see what we actually have. Admin, yeah, put that is drop date. Post admin. Okay, the one admin. We generate post does not target. Better post another post. Yeah, post admin VPN generate. Danger message missing parameter username. Username. That's no. Something. Oh yeah, it actually generated it. From now, I think we can try code execution from here. ID. Usernames, no. Okay. ID. Yeah, there is evidence that we can actually reverse shell to it. We can actually connect it to it. So you have to start a listener. Let's see. LNVP 8001. They are going to copy a reverse shell script. In just a minute. Yeah, we are going to change this. I'm going to remove it and replace it with this. This is going to give us a reverse shell to our site, to our machine actually. Is it going to work? I think it's going to have our problems. So I'm going to change it to URL and code. Control U. Then we're going to send. Problematic. Yeah, change it back. Yeah. If you see that the response actually takes time, just know that this is a success, meaning that we are in. And the first thing after you are in, you have to upgrade this shell, because there are some things when you try to do with it, it's actually going to get errors. If you try to click back, nothing. So we're going to upgrade it. You have to, sometimes you have to have a cheat sheet for these situations. You have to do this. Okay, it's accepted. Then you go back. we have to click Ctrl Z to leave, and then paste this, then type reset screen, type screen. Then we're going to be able to utilize links like clear. You'll have to export this, so you can just do clear with no problems. We have to see where we are. ls la. Yeah, actually what we have. And already you can actually see something here. You have the TNV. This is most of the time as credentials.env, .env. And yep, there we got it. Username admin, the password super duper. I'm going to copy that, then paste it. Yeah, we'll have to, yeah, don't worry. Let's see what exists at home. ls ln home. So we only have one user, admin. Actually, most probably this admin. These are the credentials of this user. But I think I have to find something else. HTML. Go back. HTML. What do you have here? Database.php, router, assets, controllers. Let's go back again. It's ln. Backups. We are going to ls la backups. Nothing useful. ls main. Okay, we have something there. cd mail, cut admin. Yeah, hey admin. Know you're working as fast as you can to do the DB migration. While we are partially down, can you also upgrade the OS on our web host? There have been a few scenarios. There's been a serious Linux kernel series already this year that one is overlay fuse, looks nasty. We can't get popped by that. So this is a clue that we have to follow. If you haven't noticed with this machine, actually just close from one step to another. That's why it is this categorized as easy. But easy in HackTheBox is actually very confusing. It can be easy, but you can try and actually ask yourself, what did they go wrong? Exploits. As we do that, we're going to, so admin, we're going to copy his password. So admin password Yeah. So now the first thing you should always do is check what privileges does your user actually have. Sudo sorry, user may not run sudo localhost the union Linux 2Million 5.1570 generic. I think this is the version which is vulnerable to attacks. From here, what can I do? Oh, let's anything interesting? Nothing. Yeah, the flag you can use cat user and then you'll be able to read the flag. Now we have a overlay FS vulnerability 2023. The flag found in the Linux kernel. Yeah, flag was found in Linux kernel where unauthorized access to the execution of the self-use ID files with capabilities was found in the Linux kernel's overlay FS subsystem. In how a user copies a capable file from a NOS user ID mount into another mount. This user ID mapping bank allows a local user to escalate the privileges on the system. Compile the call, start two terminals and enter the first terminal. In the second terminal, enter. Yeah, so you'll have to clone this repository. And always inside this machine there's no internet, so you can't do this process in there. You have to do it in a attack machine. Git clone. Okay, cd c ls. Made a mistake. ls. We're going to start a server here. Python server, Python 3. Python 3 module http dot server on port 8000. We're going to do wget recursive http 10.10.6 port 8000, then the file name, copy, okay, that's a success. Oh, it is done. So you have to cd to save it. We made some mistake here. Yeah, we made a mistake. CD, but it's okay. We learn. Let's cd c clear. We're going to follow the instructions in the call. What step did I miss? what new file do you actually have right now? Macron start two terminals, enter. In a second terminal, enter. Let's try this. I don't know, I made a mistake, but it's okay. We will learn. Yes, so SSH min TwoMillion.HackTheBox. Password. Yeah, and now we're going to copy this. Then I'm going to copy also. But I'm not sure if this is, I'm supposed to run it where exp. Let me see to 10 cd and paste it there. Enter. Enter. Oh, we are in just like that. ID root ls la. Oh, no. cd ls la. Yeah. Cut etc shadow file. The admin password, that is admin password. You can crack it if you have the time. Root password. Yeah, we made it. If you followed me to this end, thank you. If you love what I'm doing, you can support me by subscribing, or also you can donate to my cause. I am Relago from Relago AI Solutions. This is a company that I've developed that is associated with creating secure AI solutions. Most of the times in this channel, we'll be getting tutorials on AI agent development, AI automations, and 2 tutorials on HackTheBox machines every day. I have a target of cracking all the retired machines by the end of, I think after 1 year. I think I can manage. Yeah. Otherwise, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Yeah, meet you in the next tutorial.